हेलो बच्चों, टॉक मैथ्स चैनल पर महेश्वरी सर नए वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। टॉपिक है ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स। पिछले वीडियो में हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस उससे रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स डिस्कस की थी। ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स मैट्रिक्स चैप्टर का इजीएस्ट टॉपिक है, सिंपलेस्ट, बिल्कुल सिंपल, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं। मल्टीप्लिकेशन जैसा हमने किया था उसमें भी वैसे तो कुछ नहीं था, थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन था कि भाई मल्टीप्लिकेशन में रो कॉलम के एलिमेंट्स को थोड़ा सा दिमाग में रखना है, बट दिस इज वेरी इजी, सिंपल टॉपिक। ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स। नाउ व्हाट दिस ट्रांसपोज इज, इफ A is a matrix, then A transpose is the matrix obtained by interchanging its rows and columns. Like if A is Aij of order m by n. एग्जाम्पल एक ले लेते हैं साथ में। If A is a matrix 2 3 1 minus 1 5 7, then A transpose is represented by the letter A dash, or we write AT. A transpose, it will be AJI, and its order will be n cross m. So this is matrix A, interchanging the rows and columns. First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. So A transpose is 2 3 1 minus 1 5 7. This is A. This is A transpose. To find the transpose of a matrix, the matrix can be of any order. Rectangular matrix, square matrix, any type of matrix can be. Now there comes symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. A matrix is said to be a symmetric matrix if A transpose equal to A. If A transpose equal to A. Let us take an example. If A is a matrix 2 1 5 1 3 4 5 4 6, then what A transpose is, it is first row first column 2 1 5, second row second column 1 3 4, third row third column 5 4 6. So here we find that A transpose equal to A. So this is a symmetric matrix. This matrix is known as symmetric matrix. In symmetric matrix, Aij equal to Aji for all possible values of I and j, because this is, what is this element? This is A21, and this is A12, and this is A21. So we find that A12 is equal to A21. What is this element? This is A31, and this element is this is A13, and this is A31. So we find that Aij equal to Aji for symmetric matrix. Next is Skew-Symmetric matrix. A matrix such that its transpose is negative of the matrix if A transpose equal to minus A. In this case, what happens? Aij equal to minus Aji for all possible values of I and j. Now, if I equal to j, in that case, Aij equal to minus Aij, twice of Aij equal to 0, Aij equal to 0. When I equal to j. When I equal to j, Aij is 0. So when I is equal to j, what Aij becomes? Aij are the elements along the main leading diagonal, that is A11, A22, A33. So we find that for a skew-symmetric matrix, elements corresponding to main diagonal are 0. So let us write the example. 1 mark में ये छोटी सी बात पूछ सकते हैं कि given example of a skew-symmetric matrix. So A equal skew-symmetric matrix में एक बात क्लियर हो गई कि diagonal के along जो भी elements हैं वो जीरो. अगर हमसे कहा जाए given example, write an example of a skew-symmetric matrix, so we will take elements 0 corresponding to the leading diagonal or main diagonal. This I am giving an example of 3 by 3. You can take 4 by 4 matrix. Then elements along first row, and it is given that aij equal to minus aji. This element is a12, first row, second column, 1 2. So it will be negative of a21. It is minus 2, or a21 will be negative of this. Then a13 will be negative of a31. It is minus 3. Suppose this is I am taking 5, then this is minus 5. This is the example for skew-symmetric matrix. If I make its transpose, first row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third column. If you take negative common, it will be 0, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, 5, minus 3, minus 5, 0. That is equal to minus A. So A transpose equal to minus A. Such a matrix is skew-symmetric matrix. Transpose of a matrix. This is your third exercise of NCERT book, and in this exercise एक तो आपको ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स में बताना है. तो ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स में ये हमने बात कर दी कि ट्रांसपोज is the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows or and columns. Interchange rows and columns of A. Properties related to this. If you are finding transpose of sum of two matrices, or first you find transpose, then you add, you will get the same result. A plus B transpose will be A transpose plus B transpose. If you are making transpose of a matrix and again making its transpose, obviously it will give you the same matrix. If you are multiplying a matrix by a scalar and making its transpose, or first you make transpose, then multiply by scalar, it gives same result. A into B, product of multiplication of two matrices and making its transpose, it is equivalent to B transpose into A transpose. To verify this, ये जो क्वेश्चन है इसको वेरीफाई करें. Two matrices will be given to you, matrix A, matrix B, और इसको वेरीफाई करवाना. This will be of 4 marks. Easy है, डायरेक्ट है क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल. Now another important point in this exercise, that is every square matrix can be expressed or written as sum of a symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices. Every square matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices. Suppose A is a square matrix, then A can be written as half of 2A. That further can be written as half of A plus A. So A equal to half of adding A transpose and subtracting A transpose in this expression. Half taking A transpose, A plus A transpose as one matrix and A minus A transpose as second. So this expression, this matrix A, it is equivalent to this. So A equal to half A plus A dash plus half A minus A dash. Suppose A equal to P plus Q. Now P is a matrix. Because A is a matrix, A transpose is also a matrix. Since A is a square matrix, therefore order of A and A dash will remain same. So A plus A dash is a matrix. A plus A dash is a matrix. Scalar multiple with half, that is also a matrix. So this is a matrix P and this is a matrix Q. Now this matrix A has been expressed as the sum of two matrices. अब हमें ये चेक करना है कि इनमें एक सिमेट्रिक है और एक स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक है. तो सिमेट्रिक के लिए क्या चेक करना है? P डैश फाइंड करें. हमें नहीं पता कौन सा सिमेट्रिक कौन सा स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक है, हम तो ट्रांसपोज फाइंड करेंगे. If transpose of the matrix is equal to matrix, then it is symmetric. If it is negative of the matrix, then it is skew-symmetric. So P transpose is half A plus A dash transpose. अब जो प्रॉपर्टी ये थी कि स्केलर कैन बी टेकन आउटसाइड एंड ट्रांसपोज ऑफ दिस. उसके बाद फिर प्रॉपर्टी थी सम ऑफ टू मैट्रिसेस देन ट्रांसपोज सेपरेटली. एक प्रॉपर्टी और है A dash dash is A. So we find that P dash equal to P. It implies that P is symmetric. Now find Q dash. Q transpose, it is half A minus A transpose dash. That is half A minus A transpose transpose. That is half A transpose minus A dash dash. That is half A transpose minus A. Minus common, half A minus A dash. That is minus Q implies that Q is skew-symmetric. So every square matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices. Matrix A will be written as P plus Q, where P is half of A plus A dash, Q is half of A minus A dash, and this you verify after writing the matrices. एक सिंपल सा छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल इसका देख लेते हैं. Question is, suppose A is a matrix 2 3 1 minus 1 5 4 3 2 0. Now express this square matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew-symmetric. For that, first we will find out A transpose. It will be first column 2 3 1, second minus 1 5 4, then 3 2 0. अब ये भी हमने बताया, we will write A equal to P plus Q, sum of two matrices, where P will be half of A plus A transpose, half of A plus A transpose. In the examination, when question is given to you, you will write separately this plus this. अभी मैं डायरेक्ट इसको ऐड कर दे रहा हूं. ऐसे 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 minus 1 2, 1 plus 3 4, minus 1 plus 3 2, 5 plus 5 10, 4 plus 2 6, 3 plus 1 4, 6 and 0. So it is, then multiply by half each term. 2 1 2, 1 5 3, 2 3 0. This is P, and Q will be half A minus A dash. Again in the examination you will write half, then this minus this. Because in the examination question, when the question is of 4 marks, then it is written that find, solve. You have to solve in detail. इसे डायरेक्ट उसमें नहीं लिखना. So 2 minus 2 0, 3 plus 1 4, 1 plus 3 4, minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 2 2. So A minus A dash I am finding. So 3 minus minus plus 1 4, 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Now 3 minus 1, that is 2, 2 minus 4, that is minus 2, and 0. So it is 0 2 minus 1 minus 2 0 1 1 minus 1 0. So this is P and this is Q. and then we will find here P dash equal to. So first we will find P dash. The P dash will be 2 1 2 1 5 3 2 3 0. That is P only. It means P is symmetric. And Q equal to Q dash equal to 0 2 minus 1 minus 2 0 1 1 minus 1 0. Taking negative common, it is 0 2 minus 1 minus 2 0 1 1 minus 1 0. That is minus Q, implies that Q is Skew-Symmetric. So the matrix A has been expressed as the sum of two matrices P plus Q, where P is this and Q is this. Also we have shown that P is symmetric and Q is Skew-Symmetric. So matrix A has been expressed as the sum of two matrices in which one is symmetric and another is Skew-Symmetric, and that too a square matrix. It is a square matrix. So this is all about your transpose of a matrix, symmetric and Skew-Symmetric. Based on this, there is third exercise in NCERT book. So solve the questions from that exercise and from other reference book, whichever you like. Next इसके जो टॉपिक है that is elementary operations and to find the inverse of a matrix using elementary operations. वो टॉपिक थोड़ा सा इंपॉर्टेंट भी है, कभी कभी 6 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन उसमें से आता है, और दूसरा बुक थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन वाला भी, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, उसको ध्यान से सुनेंगे. उसके लिए आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो चाहिए, तो अपने वीडियोस को लाइक करते चलें, शेयर करते चलें, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं. वेट करें नेक्स्ट वीडियो.